Okay, so today we're going to look at a new thermometer I got. This is a smart thermometer. I used one in the past, but it uses a AA battery, a AAA battery, which I really didn't like because it did run out often. But this one is USB powered, so that's good. Let's push to open. All right. It's good looking packaging. So let's take a look at this. So it looks like it's the same concept, but what I like about this one is this is metal. On my previous one, this was rubber, and I didn't like it touching the meat. When things get hot, I didn't want the rubber or plastic or whatever it was touching the meat. So this one's metal, so that's really nice. I really prefer that over any kind of rubber or plastic touching my food. Let's see, how does this go? Okay, and it looks like it comes charged apparently, and you plug in a USB-C port right there. So let's give that a shot. Let's see if there's anything else. It's just packaging. Okay. We got the manual, so we're going to have to download the app. And I guess that's the scan code to do it. We'll download that app. Because with a USB-C cable, I got a million of these. So let's download the app and cook some steaks tonight. Okay, so I synced up this device to the app, and there it is. So let's plug it into the steak and give it a shot. All right, so let's give this a shot. Let's go there. And we're going to cook, what is this? Cook beef. It's my target. I don't want target's medium rare. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in. Okay, got it in. So let's cook it up and see what it does. All right, let's watch the thermometer and see when to take it out. Okay, so now it's saying the internal temperature is 18, ambient 65, target 54. You know, I'm more used to Fahrenheit, so let's change it to Fahrenheit. All right, there we go. All right, so you could see the cow in this zone. It's getting smaller and smaller as you get closer and closer. It gets closer to your target point. That's a neat little visualization. I turned it on its sides and now it flipped. Just gonna cook it slowly till it reaches temperature, and then I'll sear the outside. Alright, so it's getting close. So let's keep an eye on them so they don't burn. So I turned up the heat a little bit so that it starts to sear now that we're closer to the target temperature. Alright, so this thing is giving me an alarm telling me I need to end my cooking. Take this off the grill. That's what it looks like. Looks pretty good on the outside. All right, they look really good. Let that rest for around 5 to 10 minutes or so. All right, so let's cut it up and take a look at it. This is supposed to be medium rare. Looks medium rare to me. Let's give it a shot. Not bad.